बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Miss Anila. I am from Bahria College DHA. Today I am going to teach you the question answers, RTCs and short note and exercises of chapter profession. First part, teaching. Objective. First of all, I will tell you objectives of my lesson. At the end of lesson, students will be able to attempt all question answers from this chapter, prepare students for the board exams. Here you can see a picture of a teacher. Question answers. Question number 1. What does Akhwan mean? Answer. One Sindhi word for teacher is Akhwan. It comes from a Persian word Khandan, which means to lead. Question number 2. How does a teacher fulfill God's command? Answer. An honest and a good teacher fulfills God's command by reading the words of God. A teacher is a leader par excellence. The teacher is one who knows how to read God's word, be it written on the human hearts or in the holy book of God. A teacher reads a lot and strives to know what is true. Thus, he fulfills God's command expressed in the first word of Revelation, Wahi, which says, read. Question number 3. What are the qualities of a good teacher? Answer. The qualities of a good teacher are following. The first and the most important quality of a teacher is that he or she loves and appreciates the profession. He must prefer and welfare and progress of the students. A good teacher always remains a student forever. He is humble enough to learn from any and everyone, even those younger and less gifted than him or her. Now let's come on reference to the context. This message is a reflection of God's words found in sacred writing as well as enshrined in the work of creation. Question number 1. Name the lesson. Answer. These lines have been taken from the chapter Profession. Question number 2. To whom these lines are referred? These lines are referred to the teacher. Question number 3. What is the meaning of reflection of God's words? Answer. A message from God which is written on human hearts and in the holy book of God. These are the meanings of reflection of God's word. Now let's come on short note. It is said that God writes his law on the heart of man, and the teacher is one who can read what he writes on the human hearts. Hence a teacher is a leader par excellence, one who fulfills God's command expressed in the first word of the Revelation, which says to read. The first quality of a teacher is that he appreciates the profession. He must prefer the welfare of his students. Now let's come on exercises. Exercise. Select words from list A which are similar in the meaning to words in the list B. Reflection, its mean image. Enshrine, preserved carefully, divine, of God, dignity, honor, par excellence, the best, cultivating, developing, regard, opinion, professional, concerning one's job. Home task. Fill in the blanks. This is your home task. Write in your register. Fill in the blanks. One Sindhi word for teacher is dash. Second, this is a teacher does by dash several personal or professional qualities. Third, the teacher speak of the wonder of nature with dash since they have come into being by dash degree. Fourth, they practice what they dash. Fifth, a word Akhwan which is the best expression of a teacher's dash and dash. These are your home tasks. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.